Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I love YouTube. So right now I'm gonna be doing the sneezing challenge 2 because I did the sneezing challenge. I got a lot of views on that, so I'm gonna be doing the sneezing challenge again and doing it right now. So I'm doing it in my room right now. So this is the tissue, and we have to sneeze 10 times. So if you don't know how the sneezing challenge works, you have to roll this up, put it in your nose, and see how you sneeze. And sneeze 10 times, and that's a challenge. So, okay, let me do this on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, did 10 of them. And now we have to sneeze 10 times, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna sneeze a little better than last time. Well, the last one was really good too. Like, when I did the other sneezing challenge, that was really good too. But right now I'm gonna be doing it again. Okay. I could already tell that I could sneeze. Oh. Oh my gosh, my eyes are watering. Sometimes my eyes water when I sneeze, because it was really a little loud. So 9 more times. So I did a circle down there to know that I sneezed 1 time, so 9 more times. Let's get started. No, I already got started. Okay. I'm sneezing a little bit more better than last time. Okay, 8 more times. I'm in the middle of a video. Okay. Oh, I did it again. Oh my god. Okay, I sneezed 3 times. How? I don't even know how I sneeze like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more times. Sorry about that. Wait, 1. Okay. 4 times, wow. So as you see, I did 4 circles on them. And 6 more times. I have to sneeze. Okay, wait. I felt that in my... 5 times. Wow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more times. I had to sneeze. I'm wiggling it. Wait. Okay, 4 more times. I think you can do this. I kind of wiggled it in my nose. Okay, this is a lot more better than... Seven times. Okay, 3 more times I have to sneeze. Let's do this. Okay. 2 more times. Okay, I think, how did I sneeze 8 times? Like, wow. Okay. Okay, let me wiggle it. Nine times. One more time. Oh my god. I sneezed 10, like, how did I sneeze 10 times? In like 38 minutes. Like, what? I don't, as you see, I sneezed 8 times. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment down below you did that, and I'll get I love YouTube shirt, and I will do a part 3. A part 3 of this sneezing challenge. So yeah, bye guys.